is Sunil Jaswal, and I'm a solution specialist in Capricorn technology. And uh, some brief information from Capricorn Technology. Capricorn Technology, a Win company and a partner of choice for the AC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team member, and Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customer in AEC and associated industry, and along with other industries. So Capricorn, a Win company, and currently it's now part of Arcans Group. So let's move on the topic. First of all, I would like to present Fusion 360, what feature we have in Fusion 360. So let me share my screen. Hmm. So Priya, my screen is visible.
Visible, so
Okay, fine. So if I told you I could give you agility and connectivity to meet growing demands and spend more time innovating. Uh, so let's start. Uh, First, we have a problem. Uh, the product development process today look like this. We can see in this image lots of department here, and full 30% of, yeah, most of the engineer time is wasted on tedious tasks like changing down the right version of file. It's messy and it's complicated. It's slow and painful, and it's limiting your ability to make the changes you need to make in order to survive. So imagine you have a single designer or engineer in a R&D department or a small business. Engineers like this have to wear multiple hats. In the past, that means multiple product. So Vision 360 flexible and initiative platform can be configured to your team size, use case, and workflow. So you get access to the enterprise grade feature and service you need and only pay for what you use. So in Fusion 360, lots of feature available like sketching, part, sheet metal designing, surface designing, drawing detailing, PCB designing, wooden designing, 3D print, 3D cam, 3D printing, lots of environment and lots of module available in Fusion 360. But as per our requirement, we can use only which module which required, then we can purchase only that module. So this is the benefit of Fusion 360. And Generative design identify thousands of solutions to the problem you define, simulate their performance, and optimize for your constraint and manufacturing capability. So you can get to more high performing, effective, and sustainable design that you couldn't have reached on your own faster. So today our topic is sheet metal design and AnyCAD, but just I'll show you what uh, we have in Fusion 360 software features, because lots of company using different segment working, like some company are working in assembly mode, assembly designing part, some company is working on part designing, some company working on plastic designing. So lots of company work in different fields. So just we have to aware this software uh, which uh, we have to aware all these field we have in this software, and how to use in this and this module we we will see. Okay, so next. So the integrated platform connects your entire product development and manufacturing ecosystem with central cloud-based model, eliminating the friction between people, activities, and machine. So your terms can collaborate seamlessly and speed more time on innovation than iteration. So solution for complete product development process, all on a single integrated platform. So just we can see in this screen, designer, mechanical engineer, analyst, electrical engineer, manufacturing engineer, CAM programmer, machinist, machine operator. So all the employee work a single platform, which name is Fusion 360. Any CAD features. So what is the type of uh, what is the type of technology important? uh, AnyCAD features. So regular design challenges can be experienced when it comes to the data interoperability and a collaboration. Challenges like working with multiple CAD system, translation issues, designing not updating automatically, leveraging legacy to 2D data. So how has AnyCAD improve the process in a typical design workflow? Once the vendor or customer has sent a non-native CAD model, you will then begin to translate the file, save as. Uh, you will then be required to use the translated file as a reference and apply the constraint. So the vendor customer then send an updated model where you once again translate the file and reinsert into the assembly. You then have to manually fix all references and recreate all constraint, creating more work and potential delay. So any CAD, on the other hand, provide an associative correction with other 3D CAD application directly to inventor without file translation. This include models from most major CAD systems, including CATIA, SolidWorks, NXPTC, Creo, Pro Engineers, Alias, and AutoCAD, and also the generic step formats. So AnyCAD also help solve your interoperability problem when the vendor or customer sends an update model. Autodesk Inventor notify you that the file need to be updated in the assembly. You then simply select update and all references and constraints are maintained. So Fusion 360 improve workflow between design and engineering groups of by offering a variety of modeling method to meet each team member needs. With stakeholder working on one unified CAD model, everyone shares information and ideas in real time, increasing efficiency throughout the project. So work in both 2D and 3D in one easy to use CAD system supporting essential design method with subdivisional history based direct and mesh modeling tool. So design intent is maintained no matter what stage of development. So as we can see that this is a different module like sheet metal design, freeform design, mesh modeling, parametric modeling, surface design, all this module available in Autodesk Fusion 360 software. So concept development, freeform modeling. So what is the benefits of freeform modeling? It's reduced design time, easily create complex surfaces, rapid ideation, increase innovation capacity, and capability is subdivisional modeling, manipulate with push-pull gesture, edit faces, edges, and points, T-spline technology. Also, uh, Fusion 360 have a rendering option and very clear picture, very realistic picture uh, we can generate through the Fusion 360. If we design any type of component or machine, then we have to create, we have to show that model to our client so we can render that component. So rendering is also available in Vision 360 and very photorealistic image we can get it. Surface modeling, aesthetic surface modeling, parametric surface modeling, and what is the benefit? Bridges the gap between concept to functional surface, flexible to change, easily create control surfaces, fast learning curve, and adaptable to most design. And what is the capability of aesthetic surfaces? Traditional parametric surfacing, control quality surfaces using sketches, develop history-based surfaces, and also this Fusion 360 used for prototype modeling. And what is the benefit? Flexible to change, easily created control surfaces, fast learning curves, and adaptable to most design. And capability is integrated printing workflow, automating part orientation, printing simulation, support for plastic and metal printing machine. So type 5 differentiator from detail analysis, history-free direct modeling, parametric surface and solid modeling, sheet metal, multi-body or distributed assembly design, and all add up to true hybrid design application. So also, also uh, we know all the capability also, I told you like sketching part, mechanism design, sheet metal, surface drawing creation, all these module available in Fusion 360. So already we explained, and reform modeling also we explained. Simulation. So there is a capability uh, of simulation. So different type of simulation we have in Fusion 360, like static and non-linear stresses, model frequency analysis, thermal analysis, buckling analysis. Okay, so static analysis. So different type of analysis we have in Fusion 360. So also we can, if we design any component, then we can also check the capability of that component, how much load acted on this component, and after how much load applied on this component, and it will fracture or break. We can see in color coding format. Otherwise, we can see all static analysis like stress, strain, and deflection. Also, we can see it. So documentation, if we design any type of component, like any software we are using. So we have to create a orthographic view, section view, revolved view, bill of material, balloons. So all these things we have to do. So also Fusion 360 have a documentation, drawing and detailing module. So we can here we can create all type of views. And generative design is a capability of Fusion 360. So also, what is generative design? Generative design is like some of machine made by the different parts, like 4 to 5 some machine like 4 to 5 component assemble, and I am create if I create any assembly. But generative design is what? Generative design is same component uh, manufactured in single body. So what benefit is generative design? If we use generative design, then same assembly we will create in a single body. Then what happened? 40% lighter, 40% lighter and 40% stronger. We can design, we can uh, design that same component in single body. So it's a automatic feature of the Fusion 360. Generative design is a very good and unique feature of the Fusion 360. So next, electronic engineer use like PCB designing. For PCB designing, ECAD, MCAD. Also here one add-in add-in is for PCB designer only. So if some customer use in electronic field, they can use uh, Fusion 360 software. So here also benefits. Electronic intelligence ensure PCB fit, ready to use PCB library, analyze accuracy and heat condition. So let me skip. Let me uh, slide going fast, because we have less time, and also we will see a sheet metal design. So that I am skipping this slide. Just I'll tell you, electronic industry also use in in of Fusion 360 software. So you can see benefits. Also, PC electronics library here, library editor is also available in Fusion 360. CAM programming for CAM purpose, like machining, uh, grooving, rolling, milling. Automatic CNC machine use for CAM purposes. So Fusion 360 software also compatible for CAM machining. So you can see. So generate toolpath in minute. What is the benefit? Increase productivity and throughput, increase capacity for iteration and innovation, reduce code turnaround to win more business. So it's benefit of the CAM. And you can see different machine like Fanuc, Fadal, Magic, different type of machine. uh, as you can see on the screen, this machine compatible with Fusion 360. Easily we can integrate it with Fusion 360, and we can uh, use for CAM machining purposes, like rolling, milling, grooving. We can do it through the Fusion 360. You can see machining extension, also nesting and fabrication extension. For nesting purposes, some sheet metal industry use nesting through AutoCAD. So it will take lots of time, and it will take lots of time. so that time, we can say time is wasted for nesting designing. So there is a automatic nesting available in the Fusion 360 in sheet metal uh, industries. Mostly use a nesting design. So we can, because nesting drawing DXF file we have to create through AutoCAD, and it will take lots of time. But we can, same DXF file we can create through the Fusion 360 time, Fusion 360 software, uh, very less time, very less consuming, very less time consuming in nest for nesting purposes. So additive build extension also we have in Fusion 360. What is the benefit of metal AM support, metal additive support, automatic part orientation, part packing, and what is the capability of the additive build extension? Generate TMF files for the refined AM control native AM machine, slicing, streamline print preparation, reduce step time and human error. So additive manufacturing, we can see. So we can see in this uh, screen, generative design, design optimization, simulation analysis, additive molding, mold designing, CNC metrology, lots of field use in only one platform, which name is Fusion 360. Prototyping, metal, jig fixture, tooling, DD, CMM fabrication, lots of field we use only one platform, which name is Fusion 360. Also, uh, uh, collaboration, highlight, revise, and ship, browser-based collaboration, real-time editing, release management, see who is doing what and where. Capabilities, full product lifecycle workflow, multi-role interoperability, milestone management, multi-platform accessibility. So also data management. Also we have one module, data management. So just like we also know, we so also we know, we also hear like Vault and Microsoft project only for data management. So but Fusion 360 software also have a data management option, management and collaboration. So lots of thing available in Fusion 360. So let's move on the today topic, sheet metal design. So I'll share my screen of Fusion 360. Uh, yes, hello. So Arvind, my screen is visible. My screen is visible.
Visible, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So let's,
Yes, yes, visible, visible.
okay. So let's move. This is my Fusion 360 interface, and today I would like to present sheet metal design. So first of all, here we can see this is the module available in basic Fusion 360, design, generative design, render, animation, simulation, manufacture, and drawing. So today I'm going to show you sheet metal designing. So click on the sheet metal. Here we have some issue. First, we have to close this software. Yes. So after here, first click on sheet metal and we can see first option is new component. So once we have we will create any new component, sheet metal component. So what we have to do, first click on the new component icon, and here click OK. So you can see component 1 is added in the model history. And first of all, we have to uh, give the set rule. So sheet metal rules or option available in modify tab. This is sheet metal rule. Click on the sheet metal rule, and here we have in library of the sheet metal material like steel, stainless, aluminum. Okay, stainless steel. So whatever you like, you can choose here uh, material. So suppose I am choosing steel, and if we want to edit rule, then click on the here edit rule, and thickness is currently giving 2.5. So you can see 2. You can type 2 and you can see this K factor, thickness. Okay, so just save it. Currently default material is steel, and default rule is steel. So if you want to change the default, if you want to choose stainless steel, then you can right click and set as a default. So it will change to steel to stainless steel. And if you want to edit this rule, then you can edit here. Just click thickness and give the thickness, and just click on save button and close it. So sheet metal rule is defined. Once define the sheet metal rule, just go for the create sketch. And here we have 3 planes available in Fusion 360 interface: X, Y, YZ, and ZX plane. So here origin option, click on this. We can see XY and XZ and YZ. Okay, so whatever you want, select this plane. Suppose I am selecting XY plane and creating a sketch. So I'm creating a rectangle. Click finish sketches. If you want to edit, then also you can edit it here, edit sketch, and give the dimension. Suppose I am giving 200, and here I am giving 125. Just click on finish sketches and flanges. Select sketches, and plane thickness already we already set on the sheet metal rule 2 mm. So it will take automatically thickness of the sheet. Okay, and you can you want to create a new body, then you have to select new body and just okay. Okay, after that, if you want to create a flange, so again you have to select flange, because through flange option you can also create a base plate. So one command is used for multiple purposes. So I am creating a base plate through flange, and again I am taking flange command and creating a flange. You can see this is the height of the flange 90, and we can edit this height here. We can type it. Suppose we want to take height is 100 mm, then we can type here, and also we can edit the angle. Here angle is 90 degree. If we want to uh, create angle 75, then we can type. Also, if we want to create flanges in these edges, also we can click on this plus button and select these edges. Also, we can select these edges and press this arrow and drag it. It will create flanges, and angle will be same and height will be same. Okay, so also here option is inside, outside, and adjacent. So I'm taking angle is 90 first, and suppose I'm selecting front view. So here you can see what is inside and what is outside and what is adjacent. Inside means this flange is created inside the base plate, and if I choose outside, then flange is created outside the base plate. And suppose I am creating a flange again. Okay, and just I'm creating again flange. Okay, so here option is adjacent, tangent, lots of option is available. So we can choose as we require, and just click on OK. But and here also we have option full edge, symmetric, two side, two offset. So I just suppose we selected symmetry option, then what happen if you create a flange symmetrically both side, you can change it. Distance is 30 mm as we required. You can type 25. So it will take symmetrically both side. And if you take two side, then you can type distance 1 and distance 2. So just click, this is your distance 2 and this is your distance 1. You can drag as well, and you can also type here. So this is option also available in flanges command. And two offset. Okay, so there is also two side and two offset, both option uh, available here. Offset 1, it will take offset through this face, this point, how much distance offset. If you take offset, then it will take this point offset distance. Okay, so there is a two option, two offset and two sides. Two side will distance take differently. So just click on OK button. And suppose you want to create a bend on the sheet, Then we have option is bend command. So this is your bend command. So before applying bend command, first we have to, what we have to do, first we have to create a sketch. So just create a line, click on the free sketch and select bend command. So select line and select stationary side. So if you want to take stationary side this face, then click on this and select this line. So it will bend automatically. You can give take the angle of the bend, suppose 45. So you can see it will create a bend line. Bend. Okay. So suppose you want to create a flat pattern. So here option is create flat pattern. Click on the create flat pattern and you have to you have to choose stationary face. So I'm choosing this face as a stationary face. So select this and click OK button. Then you can see flat pattern has been created. Okay, finish flat pattern. Then if you want to finish, then click on the finish flat button. Otherwise, if you want to export DWG or DXF file, then click export and here DXF. So also you can save. Here there is some issue. Again, I am sharing my screen. Yes. So you can export. Yes. So you can create and click finish flat pattern. Go to the sketches, and if you want to insert the accept file, then yeah, this file skdxf open. So you can see dxf file open in sketching mode. And here we have option dxf layer. Suppose if we don't use bent extend, then we can untick here bent extend, then it will automatically remove. Also, if we want to remove bend line, then also we can select it here and OK. Outer profile and directly, if we want to create a DXF file, then just go to the export option, and here we have lots of extension given here like DWG, DXF, IGS, .sat. We can export it. So just finish. Just I am deleting this sketch. So here a flat pattern option available in model history. Just right click and activate. So if I click activate button, then flat pattern view is activated. Also, if we want to finish, then click on the finish flat pattern. So next command is loft command inside sheet metal module. So just I'm selecting XY plane, create a sketch. I'm creating just one rectangle, finish, and I am creating just other plane, 120 distance. Okay, and click on create sketch, select plane and other cross section. I would like to choose circle. So select circle option and create a circle. Finish sketch. So you want to create a loft feature. So also loft feature available in flange option. Select flange command and here lofted flanges. Select lofted flange and select first section and other section. So see, you can see it will automatically created lofted flanges. And you want to create a flat pattern in this component. So also we have one command which name is rip command, which available in the modify section. Here rip command is available. So select a rip command and first point is this and other point I am taking. There is some issue. Again, I am taking a rip command first and okay. So gap width is 10 mm. Okay. So it will automatically rip. And if we want to create a flat pattern, then first we have to select stationary face and okay. Okay. Because there is two component and same. So there is some issue. Again, I'm selecting this face. Okay. Okay. So I'm deleting this body first. Okay. And again, I am selecting flat pattern. Okay. So you can see because two multiple body available in same file, so that flat pattern has not worked. So you have to use one file in one components so that it will easily work. So you can see and again finish to flat pattern, then click on the finish to flat pattern. Just I am deleting this option also. So there is also option is again I am creating flanges. Some so in modify command there is some option like fillet chamfer. So yeah, here if we create any flanges and just I want to create a fillet and chamfer, then we have option fillet. Just select fillet command and here click on the edges and give the fillet radius. So we can type suppose 25. So you can see fillet has been created. Okay. If we want to create a chamfer, then select chamfer command and select edges. Okay. Also, if we want to create a move option, then select move command here, x distance move. Also, we have z distance, y distance, we can move it. And if we want to create any cut, then we have option is extrude command, select circle, finish, and here option is extrude, select extrude, and here choose cut option. Okay, so you can see. And modify option, we have a delete option. If we want to delete this cut, then select and delete. You can see delete. Also remove option. Remove option is used for delete whole body. You can delete it. So this is all about most basic feature of sheet metal module available in Fusion 360, and much more command is available like pattern, mirror, okay, thread, lots of command available, but we have, I think, time has very less, so we will move for any CAD feature. So any CAD feature, if we want to perform any CAD feature, so first we have to open two files. Suppose I am opening one file in Inventor screen, Inventor software. So just I'm close it and go to open here part 1. Open. Okay. And this is A360 cloud space. We have to if and same file I am uploaded here. Suppose go to upload, select file, and just I am opening same file here. Part 1 open. So it will upload progress, and we can see here upload progress is processing. It will take a few seconds. After that, it will upload here, and we can right click of that file and we can open. So you can see this file has been uploaded, and just right click and open. So you can see same inventor file is easily open in Fusion 360. So this is the unique feature of Fusion 360. Fusion 360 easily open any CAD software file like Creo, CATIA, SolidWorks, Unigraphics, ANSYS, NX, Solid Edge, any software file we can easily import in Fusion software, and we can uh, only not open, we can also edit as well. Very easily we can edit it. So let's we will see how to edit. Suppose I'm editing something here. Suppose I am just creating one hole, and I'm creating cut. Okay. And just save as, sorry, I don't want to save. Just I go to export option here. We have IPT option. Select IPT and export. So so it will take few seconds. Okay. अब suppose here I am editing something. Suppose here I am creating any circle, finish sketch, and just I am creating cut, and just save it. After save this file, we have to go to the A360 web page here, and we have to upload new version. So click on the upload new version, and we have to open same file, open. So you can see same file is uploaded here. Upload process will progress here. It will take few seconds. And just open. So you can see same hole has been created in Fusion 360. So it's all about today topic covered. First is Fusion 360 sheet metal module and AnyCAD feature. And also we have already explained what feature we have in Fusion 360 software. So this software is very useful for all the small scale industries because we have lots of module available in very low prices. Some customer are using lots of software like SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA, but it will so huge amount. But Fusion 360 is very less, only 25 to 30,000 per year. It will take a few amounts and it will give lots of modules. So uh, it's beneficial for all guys. So any query and so please tell me on chat box, then we can answer you. If any person who joined in this seminar, then any query, then we can allow to give the any question in chat box, then I'll answer you. Today's session, if you have any query, then please ask me, sir. Otherwise, let me wind up the session and thank you guys for your valuable times and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is
Sir,
Surajit.
yes, sir. What's your name, sir?
Surajit Maithur.
Yes, Surjit, sir. Please tell
Yeah.
me what you want to do.
Actually, I have saw your presentation for sheet metal and development. I
Yes,
have a small queries
yes.
which I have traveled in Inventor and Creo also. That
Okay,
I want to develop a Y piece duct.
okay,
Uh, Yes, and the main duct, that means downstream duct size is like 2 meter dia, and
okay,
both the branch are should be reduced into it's a 1.4 meter dia. So can
okay,
I develop in this software in easily? Because I have faced issues in another software.
okay. So
That's
it's
why.
I think part modeling module features. You want to create any part feature, which dia is variable.
May I share some screen? Uh, it is not available here.
Don't worry
Any
about
option
this,
not
sir.
available?
Surjit,
Yes.
sir. Give your number in chat box. I will I will call you separately, and I will take remotely your screen and resolve your issue.
Okay, but chat box not yet active.
Okay, sir. Tell me your contact number. Just note down your numbers. Then I'll call you separately, sir.
8647
8647
91
91
0201.
0201.
Yes, sir. May I get your number also?
Yeah. Just I'm typing in chat box. My number is nine. Anyone can note down 93192 93192 75 236.
931.
Okay, you can ask me anytime you have faced any challenges in our designing, like any software like AutoCAD, Inventor, Fusion. And suppose if you want to use SolidWorks and you want to switch SolidWorks to Fusion or SolidWorks to Inventor, then also you can contact me.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, sure, sir.
And
Just this point is,
any designing issues, any type of model you want to design in your software, and you are facing any type of pain, then you can contact me anytime.
oh, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Okay, sir. And anything else? Anyone? Any query? Someone else? किसी और पर्सन की कोई क्वेरी है यहाँ पे? अभी तक जो भी इस सेमिनार में मैंने कवर किया है फ्यूजन 360 के रिगार्डिंग, तो एनी अदर क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग दिस सेशन or any design issue? So thank you guys. Just I wind up this session. So thank you for your valuable time. Have a nice day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.